Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Biology with Rubal. In today's video, we are going to study photosynthesis in a very simple and easy way. This topic is very important for school students as well as CTET, UPTET, TGT, PGT and NEET examinations. In this video, we will cover definition, equation, site, process, types of reactions, factors and importance of photosynthesis. So let's start. What is photosynthesis? सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि फोटोसिंथेसिस होती क्या है. फोटोसिंथेसिस इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच ग्रीन प्लांट्स मेक देयर ओन फूड. फॉर दिस प्रोसेस plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis mainly occurs in the leaves because leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Definition for the examination's point of view, we have to learn this definition. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now we will discuss about the photosynthesis equation. Now let us understand the chemical equation of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll forms glucose and oxygen. This equation is very important for exams, so always remember it. Now, what's the site of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis takes place in the cell organelle called chloroplast. Chloroplast is present in the green cells of leaves. It contains chlorophyll which absorbs the energy of sunlight. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis can't occur. Now we will discuss about the process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis takes place in two main stages. First is light reaction and second one is dark reaction. पहले हम लाइट रिएक्शन को डिस्कस करेंगे, उसके बाद हम डार्क रिएक्शन को डिस्कस करेंगे. Light reaction, the first stage is the light reaction. Light reaction occurs in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Sunlight is essential for this reaction. During this stage, light energy is absorbed, water molecules split, oxygen is released, energy is stored as ATP and NADPH. लाइट रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन. एग्जाम में इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि जो लाइट रिएक्शन है उसको हम दूसरे किस नाम से जानते हैं, तो उसको हम फोटोकेमिकल रिएक्शन भी कहते हैं. नाउ सेकेंड इज डार्क रिएक्शन. द सेकेंड स्टेज इज द डार्क रिएक्शन. डार्क रिएक्शन अकर्स इन द स्ट्रोमा ऑफ chloroplast. This reaction does not need light directly. In this stage, carbon dioxide is used, glucose is formed. Dark reaction is also called Calvin cycle. Now, we will discuss the factors affecting फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस को कौन कौन से फैक्टर ऐसे हैं जो इस प्रोसेस को अफेक्ट करते हैं. मतलब अगर उन फैक्टर्स वो ज़्यादा होंगे अमाउंट में तो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस पर क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा, वो इंक्रीज होगी या डिक्रीज होगी. तो जो द रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस डिपेंड्स ऑन द मैनी फैक्टर्स. लाइट इंटेंसिटी, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, temperature, availability of water, amount of chlorophyll, and increase in these factors increase the rate of photosynthesis only up to a certain limit. Now we will discuss the importance of the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process is very important process for the life on the earth. It provides food for all living organisms. It releases oxygen into the atmosphere. It maintains the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It forms the base of the food chain. Without photosynthesis, life on earth would not be possible without photosynthesis. क्या आप ये सोच रहे होंगे ना कि फोटोसिंथेसिस के बिना लाइफ क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा तो ऑक्सीजन ही नहीं होगी इन्वायरमेंट में, ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगी तो हम कैसे एग्जिस्ट करेंगे, नहीं कर पाएंगे। So, before we end, let us quickly revise. Photosynthesis means food making process in plants. Plants absorb light with the help of photosynthetic pigments. The primary pigment is chlorophyll A. Accessory pigment like chlorophyll B help in light absorption. Carotenoids protect chlorophyll from excess light. Photosynthetic pigments are present on the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Green light is least effective for photosynthesis, but it is not completely useless. This is the main important question. एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है कि जो ग्रीन लाइट है वो लीस्ट इफेक्टिव है या मोस्ट इफेक्टिव है for the process of photosynthesis. So you have to learn it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Easy Biology with Rubal.